Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add shipping address to Alibaba. Of course, you can do the exact same steps on your phone, okay? So what you guys need to do first to add or to change the shipping address on Alibaba is to log into your Alibaba account, or you can just open your Alibaba app inside your phone. And then you want to click here, it says delivery to, okay? Here it says in the top here, you want to click on it, okay? And here you want to click on add address. Now here where it says add address, then you will be able to add here your address, okay? The country, here you can add your country, and here you can add the first name and last name, and here the phone number, and here you want to add here your address. And here this is optional, you don't really have to enter anything here. Here the states, okay, where you live in United States, for example. Here the city in that state, and here the zip code, okay? And that's exactly what you guys need to do. And click on set as default shipping address and click on submit. And that's exactly, guys, how you can change or add shipping address to Alibaba. Now you can start purchasing things from Alibaba, okay? So that's exactly what you guys need to do. If this one, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.